So we discuss about our concept. This is our concept. So let's make a basic file for every component. There will be one, two, three, four, and five component. So let's make that basic file structure for that. So first of all, I'm gonna make this one. We already have created header, so now we're gonna get movie poster. For that, just go to hero image and let's create hero image.js. RC. And let's give it a basic name. Hero image for now. Then also this create a source bar in here. Source bar that is. Let's give it a name like source bar section. Then let's create our this full grid section. So for that, I have already made folder structure. You can clone that from GitHub. The link is in description. For column grid.js for color column grid.js. If you are thinking why, if you are wondering how I'm creating this snippet, you can follow that my Visual Studio Code playlist for that. Now let's create movie thumbnail. We need this thumbnail. So for that, let's go to movie thumbnail section. Movie movie thumb dot js. I'm gonna call this so movie thumbnail section. Now let's create this load more button. So for that load more button, this is load more button section. Don't worry about this. The text we're gonna change this later on our video as we progress. Now we need a spinner. This is spinner. For that spinner, let's go to spinner folder and create our spinner JS file. Spinner.js file. This one, this is spinner section. So we made all our component file for header, this one source bar, thumbnail, and grid layout also for loader and button. So now let's import them on our so the structure will be like this. This will be a home component. Then inside home file they will have all this as child component. So first of all, let's create a home component, home.js, and then we're gonna will import this home.js, and this type, this is home section and in app.js we're gonna import our home section, and we're not using header in here, so let's delete that here. So go to the home.js and in here import our header. Wait a minute, header. Let me go back there. Copy paste here, then let's go. Now go to our browser and let's start it. Module not found. What is happening here? Home.js, home.js, home extending app.js. We have home here from component home.js, header, component home.js. So let me rectify that again. We're gonna use header in app.js and in home.js. We're gonna import everything we just created, and that is what we created is hero image. Let me import by one. Import hero image from elements, hero image, then hero image is now this couple of time, then source, I need source bar, and then source bar, then I need 4 colon create 4 colon create is now I need movie thumb, movie thumb with JS. Then I need load more button, JS. Then I need spinner. Now let's use those component here. Hero image, then source bar. As you can see, I have used hero image and source bar here, so it's highlighting, but another 4 is grayed out because I haven't used that in my file. So this is a way of highlighting works. 4 colon grid. movie thumb, put more button, then finally spinner. So this is where we organize our folder, file, and so this is for video. We will continue this on another section.